Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TKG. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can install Android apps using laptop to the Android phone. So in this video, I won't even touch this Android mobile, but I'll install apps using this laptop and I'll install apps on this mobile. And note this point, even though if this mobile is in another location, another city, still you can install. The only thing is, see here, when you open Chrome browser, when you browse through URL called play.google.com, see here, just browse through play.google.com and make sure you need to sign in with the Gmail account which is on your cell phone. See here on my cell phone, if I go to the Play Store here, I'll be clicking on this Play Store, and if you can see, the same email ID is present on the computer, on the Chrome browser. That's it. That's the only requirement. Now I'll try to install this. So first of all, just click on this profile picture, then click on library and devices. So this is library and devices, and see here, games, apps, books, wishlist, devices. You need to select this devices. Okay, I'll be selecting on this devices. See here, Motorola Edge 50 mobile, means this Gmail account is already logged in all these available devices, and for now this mobile name is child's phone. All that you need to do is just tick this. Okay, this is actually Realme mobile. Okay, and Realme, see here, Realme RMX, this is the model number. Okay, and this is the Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop with 16 GB RAM. I recently did the unboxing. If you want that video, just find the description. Okay, now you need to just click on the app section here and see, for example, you can just search any app and install. Maybe just for the tutorial purpose, what I'm doing is selecting one of the app, or maybe I can just search for any game, maybe any game, just for the tutorial purpose, to show you. Okay, maybe this Candy Crush only I'll try to install. You will get this install on more devices. You need to tap on that install on more devices. Then immediately, see here, child's phone, it will be appearing here. In the drop down, means if you select more devices here, say for example, where is this? If I select like Motorola Edge also here, then if I search like, what is that game? Maybe now this time I'll search for Ludo King. Okay, when I click on install on more devices, now this time in the drop down I need to select this child's phone and click on install here, and yeah, see here, immediately this notification will appear on your computer screen. Ludo King will be installed on your device soon. So let us check our device now. Yeah, I'll be just searching like Ludo King. Still it is not there. So what I'll do is, I'll be just opening the Play Store here on my mobile. Play Store app, see here, this is the Ludo King. Just now it has been installed. See, I clicked on install here. Like this, you can install the app on your parents' phone, or your relative's phone, or something else. Means the only thing is, the same email ID you need to log in your laptop and on the mobile which you want to install. That is the only thing. If you feel this video tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.